Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the mop washing mode in your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge. The first thing you need to do is to tap this gear icon over here to go into the settings. Now tap Heat Dock Settings. Here, as I can see, we have washing mode. Tap it. Here, the first one is Smart. Automatically adjust the water volume and duration of mop washing based on the degree of dirt. Light. Suitable for clean environments, will reduce cleaning time and water consumption. Balanced. Suitable for daily use with balanced washing duration and performance. Deep. Suitable for occasional deep cleaning with higher water consumption, longer cleaning time. Here, as you can see, we have the temperature of the water. It can be room temperature, warm or hot. To change between all these, just tap on each function. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.